This summer we set our minds to visit Croatia, and because there were so many interesting spots to see, the best way to do that was to grab our car and drive all the way from Romania. We planned our trip with an overnight stay in Budapest, so after a 16-hour drive we were absolutely exhausted. We got there around 10 p.m. and all we wanted to do was grab a snack and go to bed. The next day, we still woke up pretty tired, but we had to continue our road trip to Zagreb and Plitvice lakes, which meant another 5 to 6 hours drive. Unfortunately, we didn't have too much time to visit the city center in Budapest, but we still found a few places to walk around and wake up properly. We just arrived in Zagreb a while ago and we stopped to eat something because we've been on the road for quite a while. It's been a day and a half, and we got to Budapest yesterday. We didn't spend too much time because we got there late and we were so tired. So yeah, now we are on our way to Plitvice lakes, and hopefully we'll get there around 5, 6, something like that, and just enjoy ourselves for the rest of the day. As for objectives in Zagreb, we haven't really done our research. We're just walking around the city center and hopefully we find something nice. And we saw a cathedral, and I have no idea which cathedral it is, so we have to look that up. And right now we're just walking to straighten our legs a bit. And that's kind of it. Incredibly picturesque drive, we checked in with our host, and she recommended this restaurant for dinner, kind of the one and only in the tiny village we stayed in. It had the absolute best pizzas we've ever had, and I'm not even saying that lightly. Next day we had our entrance booked at 7 a.m, so we had to wake up early and check out. I really recommend, if you plan on visiting Plitvice lakes, do so as early as possible. The place was absolutely stunning, and it would be spoiled if there were crowds everywhere like it happened a few hours later. This way we had it all for ourselves to enjoy it in peace and quiet. We are now at the big waterfall, and wow, it's so pretty.
Plitvice is the largest national park in Croatia. With 1.1 million visitors each year coming from all over the world, it gets crowded, especially during summertime.
A boat ride on the other side of the lake, and now we're going to continue on the sea mark track. Now we're getting closer to one of the big waterfalls, and so big, so nice.
Our next stop is Split. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.